Then this is where this is the heart of everything, the workflow in Asana. You can use something like Trello, Basecamp, or whatever project management tool you wish. But now we've got more people involved, so it's a lot more easier, and it can manage. It's more powerful, I believe, than some of the other tools out there. So this is our marketing calendar. So you can see that we schedule all of these jobs, which has got a number, the video number in front of it, and allocate it to whoever is doing that. And we just keep on uploading content over here. Then we have each job or a card has got a card on itself, so we've got that same number on there. And I'll just go and open up a template. So we've got to repeat all these things for each and every video we create. So we create a Google folder, then we transcribe it using Temi. The video editor starts working on it, what needs to be done. Then we go into Canva, we check them off. So this is a long checklist of about, I think, 120 odd things to do. So no matter who is doing it, every time it's repeatable and scalable. We don't miss out. On YouTube, we have all these things to do. Then we put the video on our WordPress blog and make it into a blog post as well, because you want to repurpose the content you are creating, not just put it up on YouTube. We put it up on Facebook, LinkedIn article. So all of these places you can upload or share, upload either to the native platform or embed the YouTube video on there. And these are all creating backlinks to your website. So we put up on LinkedIn article, LinkedIn post, which is on my personal feed. Then we have a LinkedIn SF Digital company page. That's where we put up the same video as well. Put it up on Pinterest, Google Post, Medium, Instagram, Quora. We also started doing Daily Motion as well. That's another video sharing platform, and it gets ranked in Google extremely quickly and very fast. So this is our complete workflow, which we then keep on repeating it. And as you can see, that this is our board. So we get a bird's eye view as to who's doing what and where each job is at which stage and who's doing it. Now this works for us. You can create your own workflow, but you need to keep everything organized, and when the job is done, it goes under the done column. And this is how we pretty much go from A to Z with our video marketing content and process.